Hey folks, Jason Wilmot here, and what I want to do is create a real quick video on growth hacking. You see, I've been a growth hacking consultant for the past few years, and I've had a lot of success with it. My clients have had a lot of success with it, but what I've come to understand is not a lot of people know what to think about growth hacking. I know growth hacking can be a generally used term where it can be applied a lot of different ways, but when I think about growth hacking, it's basically three core things. It's one, can I track what I'm about to do? Two, can I scale what I'm about to do? And then three, can I automate what I'm about to do? That's the key to growth hacking. And then once you get one experiment running, you can get another experiment up and running, and you can iterate quickly to see, hey, the data from this is showing that we're converting at this, and the data from this channel is showing that we can convert it. That's not really what this video is about. My question to you is this. What do you want to know about growth hacking? When it comes to your own business, or maybe you're like me and you want to start your own growth hacking consultancy, what do you want to know about growth hacking? See, over the past few years, I've helped businesses revenue about $45 million and I've spent hundreds of thousands of dollars online, whether it's Facebook or Instagram ads or YouTube ads, Google search, Google display. I know quite a few things and I want to be helpful. So I've started a YouTube channel. I've started creating a lot more content, started to just engage with the community. And what I've found that the way that I get better at what I do is by listening, right? And that's what I've always learned along this journey, is that the way that I can help clients the best is by listening to the customer. Like, what are they trying to achieve? How can I align with them? And if there's a good alignment, then there's a good partnership. So growth hacking, though, how does it work with your business? I mean, I'm telling you, if you're running campaigns, if your business is looking for leads, then there's a growth hacking game to be played, specifically in tracking and in scalability and in automation. So again, what are your questions about growth hacking? I would love to answer them, so go ahead and leave a comment below, and I can address them wherever you engage with me, whether this is on Facebook or LinkedIn, Facebook or LinkedIn or YouTube. And I would love to engage with you. Happy to help you, and I want to be helpful. If you want to learn more about Hacktics, that would be great. I help businesses and entrepreneurs build unstoppable sales funnels. And like I said, I help businesses do this, or I help other people become growth hacking consultants, kind of just like the way that I did, where I was an elementary teacher actually for 8 years. And 5 years ago, I quit my job, really struggled in this digital marketing thing because I couldn't really figure out what I wanted to do and who I wanted to help. I tried going down the web design route, trying to do the social media marketing agency, tried to do, the typical digital marketing agency thing. I just didn't really like it. I didn't find my fit until I stumbled upon this thing called growth hacking, and then I went to Nerdville. And I've just really, really enjoyed it since then. And for the past few years, I've just been in this space, and now this is me trying to engage with you. And I want to learn a little bit more about what you have questions about when it comes to growth hacking. So go ahead and leave your comments below, and then I can make a follow-up video regarding this. So, all right, thanks folks. Adios. Bye.